Magadini, welcome back to Shona Land, and today we'll be taking you through letter S and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, we say the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the letters that help or that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce the Shona vowels. We've got A, E, O, U. Okay. So now combining letter S with the Shona vowels, this is how you pronounce it. So when you combine letter S with the vowel A, it's sa, sa, sa. When you combine it with the vowel A, it's se, se, se. And when you combine it with E, it's si, si, si. And when you combine it with O, it's so, so, so. And when you combine it with U, it's su, su, su. So we've got sa, se, si, so, su. Okay. Now giving you simple Shona words. Sa, we've got sango, sango, sango. That's bush in English. Sango. For se, we've got seka, seka, seka. That's love in English. Seka. Si, we've got simba, simba, simba. That's power. Simba. So we've got sora, sora, sora. That's with. For su, we've got sunga, sunga, sunga. That's tie, like tying up a rope. Okay, so sa, sango, se, seka, si, simba, so, sora, su, sunga. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our video. On the next video, we'll be taking you through letter T, and be on the lookout for that one. Thank you very much for watching. Ndatenda.